Jailed teacher Enoch Burke will resist paying hundreds of thousands of euro in legal costs he owes, and has indicated he intends to bring his dispute with Wilson's Hospital School all the way to the Supreme Court. The amount of legal costs faced by Mr Burke has yet to be publicly revealed, but a figure in the region of 600,000 euros is thought to have been paid to lawyers since the row erupted 3 years ago. The Office of Legal Costs Adjudicators is to decide how much of this can be recovered from Mr Burke by the school's insurers, on foot of multiple costs orders made against him by the High Court and the Court of Appeal. At an adjudication hearing, a legal costs accountant said insurers had already paid solicitors and barristers acting for the school, and that what was happening now was a recovery operation. Appearing by video link from Mountjoy Prison, Enoch Burke said his position was that no costs hearing should be taking place. He said there were no costs attached to holding and professing a religious belief in the Constitution. A full hearing to adjudicate on what legal costs can be recovered will take place next year. The teacher of history and German is now in his 4th spell behind bars for breaching High Court orders requiring him to stay away from the County Westmeath School.